Suck it up, dirt. Kenmore 600 Series. The Pet Hair Slayer and Dust Destroyer Extraordinaire. Tired of battling pet hair tumbleweeds and dust bunnies? The Kenmore 600 Series Bagged Canister Vacuum is here to end your misery. With a beastly 2-motor system and a motorized Pet PowerMate, this vacuum doesn't just clean, it annihilates dirt, fur, and allergens in one swoop. Whether it's your hardwood floors, carpets, or even your car, this versatile cleaning warrior gets the job done. Plus, the HEPA filter traps 99.97% of nasties, making it a dream come true for allergy sufferers. Kiss sneezes goodbye and say hello to fresh, spotless floors without breaking a sweat. Unlike those wimpy, overpriced vacuums that tangle and clog, the Kenmore 600 means business. Its exclusive pop-and-go floor brush snaps into action instantly, no more fumbling with attachments. Got pet hair that refuses to budge? The Pet PowerMate digs deep, lifting stubborn fur from carpets and upholstery like magic. For height adjustments, ensure that whether you're tackling plush rugs or bare floors, you're getting maximum suction every time. It's so powerful, you might start vacuuming just for fun, no judgment. Hate back pain from lugging around heavy vacuums? This baby's got an aluminum telescoping wand that extends 10 feet, so you can clean high, low, and everywhere in between, without bending like a contortionist. Weighing just 22.6 pounds and featuring swivel steering, it glides effortlessly through your home. And with its 28 feet retractable cord, you won't have to play musical outlets every few minutes. Convenience? Power? Your pet's questioning their life choices? Now, let's talk bang for your buck. The Kenmore 600 is built to last, unlike those flimsy vacuums that fall apart after a few months. It's affordable, tech-tested, and designed for real-world messes. Say goodbye to constantly replacing cheap vacuums, this one's in it for the long haul. Plus, its bagged system means no disgusting dust clouds when you empty it. Your lungs, and sanity, will thank you. So, why waste time with weak vacuums that barely suck? The Kenmore 600 series is a powerhouse that outshines the competition: stronger suction, smarter design, and pet hair obliterating power. Your home deserves better. Your pets won't know what hit 'em. And you? You'll wonder why you didn't buy this sooner. Get yours now.